all faculty of Automobile Department with faculty advisors of Automotive Engineers Student Association RIT and Society of Automotive Engineers India Collegiate Club of RIT, Professor Y.S. Patil and Professor S.S. Mane. Warm welcome to all the office bearers and members of Chimera and all participants to the prize distribution ceremony 2K21. Now, as per tradition, with permission from the chief guest and dignitaries, I would like to start the ceremony by lighting the holy lamp.
Yes, go ahead.
Please carry on.
Now, I would like to invite Professor Y.S. Patel sir to give brief information about Automobile Engineers Student Association Club of RIT.
Thank you, Shubham. So, respected dignitaries on virtual dais, Honorable Sri Satish Kadam sir, founder Optimizer, uh, Dr. L.M. Zugulkar sir, Dean Student Development RIT, Dr. S.R. Patil sir, Dean Quality Assurance RIT, Dr. S.R. Kumbar sir, Head Automobile Engineering Department, and all faculties of Automobile Engineering Department and RIT, as well as students and my dear participants. So ESA, it is a Automobile Engineers Students Association, is one of the vibrant student association of RIT. And purpose of ESA is to provide platform for overall development of students. Every year we organize different programs for students, and I'm happy to share that all programs are conducted by students and uh, for the students. We conduct programs like road safety awareness campaign, blood donation camps, street play for awareness in society, guest lectures on non-technical topics, creative skill competitions, sports competitions like Auto Cup. We celebrate different days like Teachers Day, World Automobile Day, Science Day, Engineers Day. So Camera, it is a national level technical symposium, and it is one of our special event for degree, diploma, as well as school students. Sir, I would like to share that even in pandemic, ESA conducted programs using virtual platform, and credit goes to Rushikesh uh, and his entire team that they have taken the efforts to conduct different programs in a pandemic. So here I am very thankful to our director, Dr. Mrs. S.S. Kulkarni madam, our HOD sir, Dr. S.R. Kumbar sir, and our Dean Student Development, L.M. Zugulkar sir, who supported our students, and they have given us a chance to conduct different programs using the virtual platform. So thank you, and over to you, Shubham.
Thank you, sir. We are pleased to have you as our backbone for this event. Now, I would like to invite Professor S.S. Mane to share information about Society of Automotive Engineers India Collegiate Club of RIT. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Shubham. Good evening, all. Uh, with respect to all the dignitaries on the stage as well as all the students, I would like to share about SA India Collegiate Club of RIT. So, SA India Collegiate Club of RIT is one of the most vibrant club of our institute, and we have students from mechanical, automobile, electrical, and even electronics department who are a part of this club. Uh, the club also has three different teams under it: SAE Supra, SAE Baha, and SAE Eficycle. and every year these teams participate in national level competitions which are organized by SAE India, as well as they do participate in some private competitions like Formula Bharat and ATV Challenge, which are also national level competitions. Both our teams from SAE Supra, which is Team Necute, and SAE Baha, which is uh, also participating in these events, have won different awards in different competitions. As far as this chimera is concerned, already Professor Y.S. Patil has introduced or told all the different competitions that we have taken. So I would like to congratulate the student organizers from ASA as well as SAE India Collegiate Club for organizing this in a very uh, good way and proper way. So with this, I would like to conclude about SAE India Collegiate Club of RIT. I now hand it over back to Shubham. Shubham, please.
Sure, sir. Thank you, sir, to support us
Thank
at
you.
every point and motivating us. Now, to share some facts about Chimera, I would like to invite ESA President, Mr. Rishikesh. Over to you, Rishikesh.
Thank you, Shubham. Respected Chief Guest, Mr. Satish Kadam sir, Head of the Department, Dr. S.R. Kumbar sir, Dean Academics, Dr. S.K. Patil sir, Dean Student Development, Dr. L.M. Zurulkar sir, all faculty members of Automobile Engineering Department, and my dear friends on virtual dais. As we know that Automobile Engineering Student Association and Society of Automotive Engineers organize Chimera from last 12 years. As we know, Chimera is a national level technical symposium and we conduct yearly this event under Automobile Engineering Department for developing technical and management skills of our students. Every year we take this event in campus, but due to this pandemic, we took this event on virtual platform. We started this event from 8th of May and ended at 29th of May, in which we conducted various technical and non-technical sub-events. In this, we got 1200 entries from all over the world under various sub-events. Now, I want to give brief information about various events. Here, we shows the entries of various events which we conduct under Chimera 2020. First one is a quiz competition, which is headed by Miss Preeti Digare and team from 8th of May to 13th of May 2021, in which we divided the quiz competition in technical and non-technical category. And we got huge response. That is, we got the 850 plus entries in both technical and non-technical category. Second one is a creative skill, which is headed by Mr. Chaitanya Patil and team from 8th of May to 25th of May, and we got 62 entries in various domains such as automobile and Corona with Frontline Warriors. Third one is our technical event, which is named as Sync the Skill and which is headed by Ritvik Patil and team. This, this is a live event which we conduct on Microsoft Teams platform from 27th of May to 28th of May, and we got around 130 entries in this event. Now the treasure hunt. The treasure hunt is our big event and which is headed by Mr. Sanket Kokar and Mr. Shripad Kudarkar and team. From this is also live event we conducted on this MS Team platform on 29th of May, and we successfully completed this event with the help of our faculty members and our coordinators. At last, as a ESA president, I would like to thank to our director, Dr. Kulkarni ma'am, and also I would like to thank to Dean Academics, Dr. S.K. Patil, and Dean Student Development, Dr. L.M. Zurulkar sir, for guiding us. Also, I would like to thank to our head of department, Dr. S.R. Kumbar sir. He is always guiding us for various events. Also, I would like to thank to our faculty members who are always guided us in various events. Also, I would like to thank to SAE Chairperson Mr. Shubham Dangre and SAE Vice Chairperson Mr. Saurabh Patil. And also, I want to give a special thanks to heads, co-heads, volunteers, and students who are helping us in this event. I think with your help, we completed this national level event and successfully ended yesterday. Thank you. Over to you, Shubham.
Thank you, Rishikesh, for sharing facts about Chimera. Now, I would like to invite our head of automobile department, Dr. S.R. Kumbar sir, to address the gathering.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
So, good evening to all. Chief guest of today's function, Honorable Sri Satish Kadam, my batchmate in RIT from 1991 to 1993, who is founder of Optimizers Pune. Dean Academics, Dr. S.K. Patil sir, Dean Student Development, Dr. Ilim Jugulkar sir, Dean Quality Assurance, Dr. S.R. Patil sir, Faculty Advisor of ASA, Professor Y.S. Patil, Faculty Advisor of SAE India Collegiate Club, Professor Shirish Mane, President of ASA, Rishikesh Dore, as well as Chief Person of SAE India Collegiate Club, Shubham Dangare, along with all the office bearers, all faculty members from Automobile Engineering Department, senior faculty members Dr. D.G. Tumbre sir, Dr. S.D. Yadav sir, Dr. S.R. Desai, Dr. S.Y. Sawant madam, Professor S.T. Satpode sir, R.M. Shinde sir, and all the student participants. Firstly, I would like to congratulate every participant for taking active part in this symposium and made this very successful. Irrespective who wins the battle, participation through such events will definitely help to develop individually in overall aspect of human being. I also congratulate ASA and SAE India Collegiate Club team with their faculty advisors for successfully organizing such events. On this platform, I take this an opportunity to introduce department to all the participants, especially those who are outside from RIT. Automobile department is established in 1983, that is since inception of RIT, Rajanambapur Institute of Technology. Presently, department offers 4 years degree course, that is BTech in Automotive Technology, 2 years postgraduate MTech in Automotive Technology, and from last year, we had started offering 1 year postgraduate diploma in Electric and Autonomous Vehicle in association with ARAI Pune, that is association of that is ARAI, that is Pune, which is the government organization which tests and certifies vehicle coming on the road. So both our UG and PG programs are accredited by NBA. UG program is accredited 5 times, PG program is accredited by 2 times. And we at Automobile Engineering Department is having very highly qualified and experienced faculty members. Out of 15 faculty members, 7 faculty members are having PhD qualifications. Remaining from that, few are on the verge of completion of their PhD. Apart from this expert human resource, we do have state-of-art laboratories having the various research labs, research facilities, chassis dynamometer, engine test setups, emission testing, wind tunnel test setup, automotive electrical testing, as well as we do have created some special research facilities like shock absorber test setup, gearbox test setup, that is vibration induced test setup likewise. Along with this, we are also operating commercially servicing center and online PUC center for society. Our alumni are working in companies like Tata Motors, Mahindra, Peugeot, etc. and research organizations like ARA, Automotive Research Association of India, as well as CIRT Pune, VRD Ahmednagar. Majority of RTOs, motor vehicle inspectors working in the Maharashtra State Motor Vehicle Department are our alumni. Some of our alumni are also working in MSRTC, PMT, etc. And from last 4 to 5 years, our many students are opting the jobs in now insurance companies like HDFC, Bajaj, Go Digit, Liberty, New India Assurance, likewise. So we do have very conducive and learning environment at Automobile Engineering Department. Such ESA and SAE India clubs are organizing regularly various events for developing overall personality of the students, which is the requirement, industry requirement, because industry doesn't want only the certificate or the that is your PG or UG certificate will be the gate pass to enter the industry. But to work in the industry, the student should have the requisite skill sets, right from communication skill, presentation skill, and through such various events, the students are trying to develop. And special note I want to mention is all these programs are being that is organized by students only, and faculty advisors are just mentoring them. So every event is being planned, being scheduled. Even from such events, they are getting the knowledge of organizing events, financial, even in many cases, such type of that is take example of your Baha vehicles to construct the Baha vehicle and take the participation in Baha competition. uh, Vehicle requires manufacturing of that vehicle requires more than 3 to 4 lakhs. So how that 3 to 4 lakhs can be generated through the various funds. So generating the funds is also taken care by the students. So I wanted to appreciate the efforts taken by the students, as well as I also thanks all the faculty members, including faculty advisors and all non-teaching staff who are helping the students to conduct such type of the events and reaching to the a variety of students, variety of institutions through such programs. So as a head of the department, I invite outside participants to visit our department. I once again congratulate all the participants and special thanks to again SAE, ESA office bearers, faculty advisors for conducting such a nice event. I wanted to put forward the special thanks to Dr. D.G. Thomre sir, Dr. S.D. Yadav sir, Professor S.T. Satpute, and Professor R.N. Shinde sir, who worked as judges for various Chimera events. So thanks to all these judges who judged these various competitions. Again, I congratulate all the participants. Apart from winning the that is the prizes through this participation, definitely I hope that their knowledge base have increased and somehow they have enriched their personality. So thank you to all. Again, I want to thank Mr. Satish Kadam sir for accepting our invitation and sparing his valuable time to be here virtually on this dais. And that is, I wish to have his association with our department in future. We are planning to have the long-term association from the optimizers, because Satish Kadam sir is having very vast experience in the tractors and agriculture equipments. So definitely he will accept our this invitation for further collaborative activities. And he is my colleague, that is the batchmate. He is our alumni. So as an RITN, we should feel proud that our one of alumni is now started his own firm, that is the optimizer, after serving in the agriculture industry more than 25, 27 to 28 years. So welcome Satish sir. Once again, I congratulate all the participants. Thank you. Over to Shubham.
Thank you, sir, to be with us throughout the event and guide us whenever required. Now, I would like to invite Dean Academics, Dr. S.K. Patil, sir, to address the gathering. Over to you, sir.
I think SK Patil sir is not there. Just to check.
Rishikesh, can you just check?
Sir is not there, I think. So just
Satish
move ahead.
sir, because today foreign delegates were visited our campus, and because of
Okay.
that he was there till this time, and that's why Dr. S.K. Patil sir is unable to join. So move ahead.
Okay, sir. Now I would like to invite Dean Student Development, Dr. L.M. Jogulkar sir, to guide the gathering.
Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Am I audible, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, you are
Yes,
audible.
sir.
Uh, I congratulate first those who have participated in this event. Also, today's chief guest, uh, Honorable Satish Kadam, sir, head of the department, Dr. S.R. Kumbar, sir, Dr. S.K. Patil, sir, uh, Dean Academics, Dr. D.G. Tombre, sir, Professor Satpute, sir, Dr. S.R. Desai, sir, Dr. S.R. Patil, sir, all the faculty members, and my dear students. First of all, I congratulate those who have participated in this event and those won the prizes. Uh, I'm very much happy to see that your event has been started from the almost 15 to 20 days, and though it is a online event, so many members have been participated. I will tell you regarding our Dean Student Development Office. Uh, what it works. So these student development office works closely with our students to ensure a rewarding college life. It is our goal to provide a nurturing environment where students develop emotionally, socially, and spiritually as they grow intellectually. The student cell is responsible for those activities that takes place outside the classroom, and this is the activity which we are you are conducting from the for the student from the student, and faculty advisors are also supporting them. So likewise the activities has been conducted, and the faculties and staff of this cell are committed to advocating for the students, also challenging students to accept responsibility of their choices and holding students accommodate, educating, proactively addressing and responding to crisis, and providing opportunities for the students to develop. This is one type of uh, threat or crisis are there, that is pandemic, and our students are also working so hard. 2 days back I have forwarded one email from the AICTE to all students, where it has been noted that if you engage full day, your burden or your tension regarding this corona pandemic will be reduced drastically. So this type of activities will help you to motivate and will help you to overcome this crisis. Okay. Again, Dean Office works or acts as a bridge between the students and authorities, also addressing any type of problems which are raised by the students and provide their feasible solution. Okay. So also RIT provides many platforms and abstract arts club. Am I audible? Hello.
Yes, yes, you are audible.
Yes, sir.
Uh, uh, Again, this type of activities, different departments are conducting the activities, and our students are taking part of all of the activities, and they won the prizes. Such type of platform provides opportunity for the students to have the community services. Also, they are having some artistic skills, so that they can express their artistic skills through these type of activities, and we are always committed to overall development of the students. Thus we make every effort to facilitate the growth of the students. Finally, I want to reiterate that the safety of you and your loved ones is the utmost importance. While keeping the foremost in our thoughts, we can continue to work together, remain determined, and move towards a better tomorrow as a team. So thank you, all of you. Thank you, organizing committee member, and thank you again for staying home and staying safe. Thank you. Thank you. Over to you, Rushikesh.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable thoughts and always supporting us. Hello, Shubham. Hello, Shubham.
I think Shubham is not there.
Okay.
Yes, he's back. He's back. Just wait.
Yeah, he's back.
So Rushikesh, you just go ahead. I think there is a problem from Shubham's side.
Okay, sir. Now I request to Mr. Nikhil Shinde to introduce our chief guest. Over to you, Nikhil.
Thank you, Rishikesh. A respected chief guest, Sri Satish Kadam sir, Head of Department, Dr. S.R. Kumbar sir, Dean Academics, Dr. S.K. Patil sir, Dean Student Development, Dr. L.M. Jugulkar sir, all faculty members on virtual dais, and all my dear friends. Our today's chief guest is our college alumni. It's my honest pleasure that I am going to introduce today's chief guest is Mr. Satish Kadam sir. He is the founder of Optimizer Pune. Optimizer is a firm to help tractor farm machinery and implement industry support their channel development, business development, customer care, growth and profitability challenges platform. He is also specialist in sales, marketing, channel business development in tractor and farm machinery business. Apart from this, he got various achievements in which he got scratch to establishment of business in sales, marketing, and business development expert. Also, he got exposure to handling farm machinery business at different product and network again. The special achievement he got, which is he handling government officials and network specialists to appoint. He activate and develop network key effective business operation. As I earlier said, that Satish Kadam sir has vast experience in farm machinery, as he worked as authorized dealer for John Deere. Also, sir worked as business owner of Kadam Agro Engineers from December 2012 to May 2016. Regional manager at Lamkin India Agro Private Limited in between June 2016 to November 2017. Assistant General Manager at Mahindra Rice, November 2017 to March 2020. General Manager VST Trailers Tractor Limited in between May 2020 to April 2021. It's my immense pleasure that I welcome Mr. Satish Kadam sir in our prize distribution ceremony of Chimera 2021. Now I request to Satish Kadam sir, please share your thoughts with us. Over to Satish Kadam sir. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you for a very good introduction of mine. Honorable Department Head, Professor Dr. Kumbar, who is my batchmate. Then all other dean members, as well as faculty members in automotive and other departments, all participants, and all dignitaries on the virtual dais. First of all, I say thank you to all of you for inviting me as a chief guest and honoring me by just offering this privilege. Also, I like to congratulate all the participants because the results are going to be announced. But before that, important is that the participants, every participant, he is putting his all efforts. He is doing a lot of many things to participate. Everyone thinks that he is a probable winner and he is putting everything just to win it. Anyways, whatever the results will be there, but everybody is participating, and for that, I congratulate everyone for the participation. Really, today I'm little nostalgic because this is the same institute where from I have passed out my diploma. I was the alumni of this college. So I remember those days when it was shipped from secondary schools to directly to the diploma college, and many things. I mean, we enjoyed at the campus. The campus is, I think, now well equipped. Initially, there were no many facilities, but it was a very disciplined college, and we learned many things, which really helped us in our throughout life. I mean, wherever we went, we had certain values which taught by our professors, our principal and Principal Joglekar. So we always remember all the golden days we spent in this institute. Particularly, why I said uh, all participants are important. I'm just putting one example. If you people know the football rating, worldwide rating, the FIFA has recently announced worldwide rating, and you must be knowing Belgium team is having a rank 1 in that. Why I'm telling it is Belgium is a country having a population of 1.12 crores only. So it is a equivalent population of Pune district, you can say, and little higher than Sangli district. But the team which is there, so it is the world's winning team. There are what's the reason in such a very low population, such a fantastic team has arose? The reason is that there are total 77 associations, clubs who are conducting many competitions. So what happens normally when people start practicing and participating in different competitions, the competence level it grows. And once the competence level is grows, then you can get the best genius in every field which are coming up, and we can make a world's best team. So that is the achievement with the participation. The participation creates a peer pressure on the winners. So everybody starts putting the best efforts, the best in it, and ultimately the winner, he is also able to deliver the best possible. Whatever the projects he is participating, whatever the performance he is going to pay. So everything is going to be excellent. So this is a journey from normal operation to the excellence, I believe. So most important is that the participation itself is very important, which leads to develop the computer within all the participating members, and also it creates a lot of pressure, peer pressure on the winners. So again, I congratulate all the participants. Because of them only such a kind of big events happens. Without participation, it is difficult. Also, the one more thing which I observed is all the events, they are organized by the student members. So this is the institute right from the beginning. We observed, I mean, there are the professors, they are deliberately taking many efforts. So the students themselves can explore the leadership qualities. They come up as a leaders, and then they can lead on the several projects. When we see our college colleagues, so they are handling very responsible positions across the industries. So that is only because of these kind of leadership qualities which are cultivated by the institutes during our college days. So I'll be very much thankful to my institute, to department head Thombre sir and all, because I don't know other professors' names, but everybody they are putting efforts, and day by day the reputation of this particular institute it is going high and high. We are very happy as alumni when we see the reputation of our institute it is going to a very high level. One more thing, as a am I audible?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah. So one more thing I just wanted to discuss among all the student members here. Anything what we do, so there are two important aspects which are giving us best results. One is capability, other is a competency. But when we are participating in such a kind of projects, in such a kind of participation, so I think there are four pillars of the success. One of them is very important, which is a concept. Whatever you are thinking, the conceptually it should be very good, unique concept. Then it has to be supported with the logic. Whenever it is supported with a good logic, it is not only about this particular project, but when you'll start working as a profession in the industry, so you'll face many projects that come conceptually were very good, but when the logically it is not well supported, the project perhaps it is the chances of projects of getting successful are very less. So logical reasoning is another factor. Third factor which is important is the determination, the efforts put by every individual within the group, within the what are the projects handling within the team. And most important part, last but not least, is a teamwork, the synergy. What is important is when the team themselves they are coming together. Even a single person, if he is handling projects, he is not a single person, because he is also having some mentors, some facilitators, some supporters, or many other things for whom he has to depend on many people. So entirely, even it's a single person's game, single person's project, it is also supported with a team. So he has to take support of many people. So team is a very important thing, which is which has a very much importance in today's professional life. Even earlier days, it was possible the people used to work with their own skills and they can survive till retirement with their own skills. But now the scenario in industry is changed. Every industry, every professional organizations, they are just thinking that the whatever the work is there, whatever the task is there, so it has to be completed as a teamwork. So teamwork is very important. Many people they are changing their corporate philosophy. I worked with Mahindra. I have good experience to work with Mahindra. So their basic philosophy, they are just focusing on the 7 habits. If anybody has read the book, I mean Stephen Covey, 7 Habits of the Effective People. So that's the philosophy they are following. So what basic they are working on is, first of all, every individual is dependent on someone. So first 3 habits out of the 7 habits, per 3 habits enables them to become independent, and again additional 3 habits he is become interdependent. So that is a very important factor or key factor. When a person, instead of just becoming independent, he has to be interdependent. That means he has to put a lot of efforts, collaborative efforts among many people, many stakeholders within the project, within the company, within organization, within business, wherever it is possible. So he has to put collaborative efforts. So collaboration is very important, which is the key of success in nowadays. So whoever is working, my request is that we just stop working individually, start working in a team, start working as a team. So it will definitely give you better leverage in your professional career also. To all students, I mean, when you take admission and after 4 years, when you get a certificate, it is not when all of the sudden on the 4th year you are becoming engineer. So you are becoming engineer every day. Every day some value addition happens. Every day some values are cultivated. Some knowledge is acquired, some competency level is developed. So every day you are learning, you are becoming engineer day by day. It is not just one day's process, just passed on the exams and then you are becoming engineer. So just be participative of many things, because this particular college, they have got a lot of initiatives for the student development and also the placement. So my request, humble request to all the students to take full advantage of all the facilities and the what are the initiatives that the college is taking. Just as a your senior, or you can say I also worked many years, and based on that, I just want to while you are choosing your career, you just see what are your passion area, and what are your skills, what skill set you do have, and what's your orientation. Based on that, you take your decision, you plan your career right from beginning, you start thinking on that, you start putting your set some objectives, some goals, and then divide it into tasks, subtasks, and start monitoring yourself. So this is one habit which will give us a lot of leverages in your professional career. Once you start making your own goal into task and then subtask, and you will have a periodic review system, own review mechanism, it will give a good leverage to all students to go to the proper, the good level in your professional life. So again, I wish all the best to all students for their whenever I don't know which year they are going to pass out, but whenever they're going to pass out, my best wishes to all of them. Once again, thank you very much to all college associates, department heads, deans, and all professors, and all the committee members, student leaders, and participants for the privilege you have offered me. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for sharing your valuable industrial experience and thoughts. Also, for pillar example of success, 7 habits. Your great experience and thought examples is very helpful to us. The most important word is cultivation is very useful to us. Thank you, sir. Over to Rishikesh.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable guidance. Now heading towards the winners. Now heading towards the winners of Chimera 2K20. So to announce the results of quiz competition, I would like to invite Miss Preeti.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you, Rishikesh. In this Chimera event, we organize one of the best event quiz competition, and we got the most of the. We divide the quiz competition in two categories: technical and non-technical quiz. The technical quiz is based upon automobile related questions, and non-technical quiz related to general questions. In this quiz competition, all participants performed good, and average score of both the events is 12 out of 15. On the based upon the performance of the participant, we select the winners. As I am the head of the event, I am very happy to announce the name of the winners. From technical quiz, first is Suyesh Madhav Varadkar from Rajaram Bapu Institute of Technology. Second is Atasri Patil from Government Polytechnic. Next, non-technical quiz. The first is Rohit Bharat Rao from J.M. Rathi English School and Junior College. And second one is Prithviraj Rajendra Kale, Rajaram Bapu Institute of Technology. For selecting winners, Dr. D.G. Dhomre help us a lot. I am thankful to you. Thank you all. So congrats all the winners and all the best for your future. Over to Rishikesh.
Thank you, Preeti.
Rishikesh, while that is declaring, just declare that what is the memento certificate and what is the prize, what prize you are going to give. Mention that.
Okay, sir. Okay. So I request all the heads to announce the prize money during announcing the results. So to announce the results of a creative skill, I would like to invite Mr. Chaitanya.
Thank you, Rishikesh. Good evening to all. Now, continuing with creative skills, we have conducted this event to provide a platform to show skills and creativity. We have got very good responses from participants. We have got around 63 responses with their best of best work. Thank you to all participants and professors to help us in making it more effective. This event was organized between 8th of May to 20th of May 2021. We had offered 3 main domain that are, first one is automobile, second one is Corona and Frontline Warrior, and third is patriotic. The 4 modes that we have offered were photography, sketching and drawing, Rangoli, slogan. Now I'm going to announce winners. In automobile domain, the winner is Nihar Ashok Pednekar. He is receiving cash prize of 1,000 rupees and certificate. And in Corona and Frontline Warrior domain, the winner is Lakshmi Narayan Bhanudas Gaddam from Walchand Institute of Technology, Solapur. He is also receiving prize money of 1,000 rupees and a certificate. Thank you. Back to Rishikesh.
Thank you, Chaitanya. To announce the results of Sync Day Scale, I would like to invite Mr. Ritvik.
Okay, thank you, Rishikesh. Good evening, all. Sync the Scale was a technical event. This event was conducted in 3 parts. Those were 3 rounds. All of these 3 rounds were knockout rounds. So students had to be competent enough to qualify to each round. We got almost 130 entries. The first round was based on a live quiz that was being conducted on the Kahoot platform. Second round was a sort of live quiz, but it had images in it, so that the images were related to movies with regards to automobile and technical domain. And the third round was the round which had interaction with the panel members. With panel members, the students were given a time of 60 seconds, and in those 60 seconds, students had to think on the topic that was given to them and speak on it for 120 minutes. The evaluation for that round was done on the interaction with the students and panel members. So the winners of the Sing the Skill are: the first prize goes to Patel Umang Kumar Hitendra Bhai. He wins a cash prize of 2,000 rupees and a certificate. Second prize goes to Dipankar Guru. He gets a cash prize of 1,000 rupees. And the third prize goes to Shardul Shamrao Patil. He gets a cash prize of 500 rupees and third rank. I would also like to thank our jury members, Professor Dr. Sanjay Yadav sir, Professor Sanjay Satputra sir, and Professor Rajaram Shinde sir for helping us and evaluating the students in the third round. Over to you, Rishikesh.
Thank you, Ritvik, and congratulations to all the winners. Now, I would like to invite Mr. Sanket to announce the results of treasure hunt.
Thank you, Rishikesh. Good evening, one and all present here. Treasure Hunt has been an adventure game, and it was hard for every one of us to go for it online. But with the help of every whole team, it was able to win. So we are able to get success in this event. From about 2,000 to 200 participants for first round, which was a Google Form round, in which there were some logical questions and riddles. And from which we are selected top 15 participants for second round, which was a spot the clue where everyone has enjoyed the game. And from which we selected the 5 best performers for round 3, which was a rapid fire question round. And from which we selected the 3 best performers, and they were the winners of the event. The winners are as follows. Amarjit Shinde, he will get the cash prize 2,000 and certificate. Second winner is Shivraj Mahesh Algode. He will get the cash prize 1,000 and certificate. And third winner is Athashri Patil. She will get 500 cash prize and certificate. Congratulations to the all winners. And over to you, Rishikesh.
Thank you, Sanket, and thank you to all my participants to be part of Chimera 2K21, and congratulations to all winners. Now to give the vote of thanks, I would like to invite Mr. Pranjal Shela.
A very warm good evening to one and all. I deem it a great honor and privilege to propose the vote of thanks on this memorable occasion. The first ever online Chimera, 20 days, around 1,300 participants, and after all the hard work from all the volunteers, this year's Chimera has come to an end. On behalf of the Automobile Engineering Students Association, SAE India Collegiate Club RIT chapter, and the organizing team, I take this opportunity to thank all of you for being here. First and foremost, I thank our chief guest, Honorable Shri Satish Kadam sir, founder of Optimizer Pune, a specialist in sales, marketing, and business development in tractor and farm machinery business, who, despite of his busy schedule, not only has graced this event but also shared his valuable experience and words of guidance. I would also like to express my heartfelt gratitude to our Honorable Director, Dr. Sushma Kulkarni ma'am, Honorable Dean Academics, Professor S.K. Patil sir, and all the deans and the heads of department. We are grateful to our Honorable Dean Student Development, Professor Dr. L.M. Jugulkar sir, for his words of encouragement. I thank him for his interest, guidance, and continued support towards us. I thank our Honorable Head of Department, Professor Dr. S.R. Kumbar sir, for his stewardship, vision, and support and commitment. I thank Professor Y.S. Patil sir and Professor S.S. Mane sir for their unstinted support for this function, for their valuable contribution, guidance, and encouragement. I am thankful to Professor D.G. Thumbre sir, S.D. Yadav sir, S.T. Yadav sir, S.T. Satpute sir, and Shinde sir for their support in conducting these events. My heartfelt gratitude to all the faculty members for their guidance and encouragement in all our efforts. Finally, I would like to thank all the participants. It is because of you all this event is a resounding success. All the co-heads, heads, and the volunteers, I thank you for your efforts that you have put in to make this event such successful. Once again, I thank you all for your attention and thank you once again. I now request all the participants to stay in the meeting as we have few announcements for you, and I thank all the dignitaries for their presence.
Thank you all.
Thank you, whole team. Thank you.
Thank you all.
Satish
Congratulations
Kadam.
to all the winners.
Yeah, thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you, sir.
Satish. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Shall we take the group photo?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So ask that is all the student participants to start their videos so that we can take the gallery view.
I request to all of the participants and volunteer students to start their videos.
Rishikesh, from your side, you can take these photos, clicks.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations to all winners, our whole SAE and SR team, both faculty advisors, and thank you, Satish sir. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you,
Yeah,
sir.
may I leave now?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Kumbar sir, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Uh,
Thank you
Thank
all.
you, sir.
Thank you, Vice Patil sir.
Thank you, sir. Thanks for joining. So now, office bearers, you may continue with the participants. So all faculties may leave now. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Congratulations.
Yes, sir.
Rishikesh,
Thank you,
Thank you.
Kumbar sir.
congratulations. Yeah,
Thank you,
thank
sir.
you, thank you.
So,
And congratulations,
Thank you.
Patil, YS Patil sir, Shirish Mane sir, Yogesh,
Thank you.
Rishikesh,
Thank you, sir.
Saurabh.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Congrats.
So yeah, again, very good job done by all the team members, Rishikesh, Shubham, and all your team members. So congratulations, and again congratulations to all the winners. I will take leave now. Bye.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Rishikesh,
Please wait, Chaitanya. Wait.
yes, yes. You can continue now.
All participants, please request to you stay in the meeting.
Hello, Pranjal. Can we continue?
Yes, Rishikesh.
Yes. So, congratulations to all the winners, and I request to all the winners to collect a cash prize after 1 week. Due to COVID pandemic, no one in the campus. So I request all the winners. We will send you the cash prize, and also if you didn't receive your cash prize, please let us know. And also we are sending the emails of winners to your official mail ID. So check it, and thank you for being with us.
Now participants can leave.
Hello, Rishikesh.
कसं आहे आता
बोला आता, बोला.
चैतन्य, माझा आवाज येतो होता का रे?
हो हो येत होता.
निखिल जरा मध्ये झाला, जरा कट झाला थोडा मध्ये, काही प्रॉब्लेम नाही, पण झालं व्यवस्थित.
अच्छा. खुशी.
ऋषिकेश
अरे आहेस का गेला?
हे बहुतेक म्यूट केलाय खरं त्यांना. म्यूट करू ऋषिकेश.
कॉलवर असेल रे.
2 मिनिटं.
ओके ओके.
ऋत्विक.
बोल की रे.
काय कसं झाला?
झालं की चांगलं झालं. याचं डांगरेचं काय कनेक्शन गेलं काय मधनच?
वायफाय 10 मिनिट डाऊन होता रे.
ठीक आहे, याला ऋषिकेशने केलं.